Notion Affiliate Program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you about the Notion Affiliate Program tutorial. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to notion.so, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And if you have no idea what is this platform, Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace and productivity tool. It combines note-taking, task management, database capabilities, and collaboration features in a single platform. From here, to join to their affiliate program, just go to the footer of Notion, and from here, just proceed by clicking Become an Affiliate button. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. In which from here, it will show you other details that you need to consider before joining to the affiliate program. And from here, it will show you how you can earn a rewards, in which for every new plus, business, or AA plan upgrade by your friends, you'll earn a 50% of all payments for the first 12 months. And it has no limits. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you who are eligible to apply in this affiliate program. We have here bloggers and writers, entrepreneurs, educators, media networks, email newsletter, and many more. And below here, you could also see how much you could earn when you invite a person and if they upgrade their account to Plus Annual Plan, in which you will receive the 50% of what they paid on those Plus Annual Plan. And if you have other questions, you can proceed under the FAQs, in which by clicking on each question, it will show you a corresponding answer. And now, we can now proceed by applying to their affiliate program. Just click Apply Now button in here, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, email address, and to enter your business name. And after that, just select your answer to their question, what type of affiliate are you? In which upon clicking on it, it will show you a variety of options. And I'm going to choose YouTubers. And the follow-up question, are you currently a Notion affiliate? So I'm just going to select no, since this is my first time applying to this affiliate program. And for the next question, how do you plan to promote Notion? In which you can promote through your website, blog posts, social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. And after that, just select your answer to their question, what is the size of your total audience? And for the follow-up question, who is your primary target audience for the online content you produce? We have here students, companies, founders, productivity enthusiasts, but I'm going to select other. And after that below, you could also enter your answer to the question, what is your website URL? So from here, you can just input or paste your URL or working link to your website, channels, newsletter, or relevant profiles. And after that below, you could also enter a description or explanation on how do you plan to promote Notion. But from here, I'm just going to enter a random letters, but you could also enter your brief explanation in here. And then select your answer to the question, do you regularly use Notion? And after that, below here, it is only optional. The question is, what is the email address associated with your Notion account? And you could enter here your email address. And now for the follow-up question, are you currently enrolled in other SaaS affiliate program? So you could enter here no if you are not enrolled in other affiliate programs. And below here, just select your country that you're into. And after that, just select or enter your region of residence. And after filling out all of the required information that is needed, the next thing that you need to do is to click Submit Application button in here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, it will show you that your application has now been received by Notion. And all you need to do is to wait for their confirmation email, which will be sent to your email inboxes, in which it indicates if you are ineligible to become part of their affiliate program. And you just need to wait for at least 2 to 3 days for their confirmation email. But in the meantime, you can set up your partner stack, in which you can monitor your application status, create your partner stack profile, set up your payment details, and browse partner stack marketplace. And to do that, kindly click this button that says Create your partner stack account. And the next thing that you need to do is to answer our CAPTCHA, which is also for security purposes. And after solving the reCAPTCHA, you will now be able to be directed in this page. And from here, just enter your password. However, in generating a password, make sure that you enter at least 8 characters that contain 1 uppercase character, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 symbol. And after that, just check these boxes below here that indicate that you agree to the Partner Stack Terms of Service, and proceed by clicking Create Account button. Upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to enter an email invitation in order to invite your team to join on Partner Stack. So I'm just going to enter here my email address, but you could also copy the link and send them an invite in order for them to join on Partner Stack platform. And from here, just proceed by clicking the next button below, and after that, you also need to confirm your email that has been sent to your email inboxes. So just go to your email inbox and proceed by verifying your email address. So just click Verify Email button in here, and you will be directed in this page. So now, you are on the dashboard of Partner Stack platform, which from here, you will see a variety of options that you can navigate. We have here Home, Rewards and Withdrawals, Reporting, and Marketplace on the top panel, while below the home page, you will see here the statistics, which you can track your total clicks, referred, program revenue, pending rewards, and paid rewards. Also, by clicking Your Programs on the top right corner, it will show you the programs of Notion that you applied to the affiliate program, and if you kindly click on it, you will be directed in here, in which it says here that your application has now been received. And below, you will see the description and other information that you enter when you're applying to the affiliate program. And as you can see on the left side panel in here, the summary, performance, links, customers, resources are all locked, which means that you cannot access any of those options unless you receive the confirmation email that you are eligible to become part of the affiliate program. Let's say you are now eligible and part of the affiliate program. The next thing that you need to do is to create or generate your own tracker links by clicking this option in links, which those tracker links are the one that you will using in promoting the platform Notion, which you can send directly to your friends or attach to your social media posts to your website. If you are now earning a commission, you will receive it in here under the rewards and withdrawals, which below you will see your available funds that you can withdraw by setting up withdrawals in here. Below, you can track your rewards history, in which it will show you the total rewards that you receive from your invites. And now to set up withdrawals, you have the 3 payout methods, such as direct deposit, using PayPal, or using Stripe, in which each option will show you the delivery, business days, or delivery time, the processing fee, the maximum withdrawal amount. Aside from that, you could also navigate on the top panel, the reporting and marketplace, which you will see on the reporting all program reporting overview about this platform. While under the marketplace, you could see here the list of the program that you can apply to their network. And now going back to this homepage, you will see here that the program of Notion, the status of our application is pending. From here, you could also track the number of clicks, referred, program revenue, rewards, and even the paid rewards. So that is just Notion Affiliate Program tutorial. Thank you.